The heavy rainfall, flash floods, and landslides across Bhutan in October last year damaged 29 bridges. Of these, 22 bridges were completely washed away, while 7 sustained varying degrees of damage, severely disrupting connectivity and transport. Moreover, roads, farmlands, and residential structures were also damaged. While no major human casualties were reported, 2 persons lost their lives and 1 remains missing in 𝗕𝗵𝘂𝘁 and 𝗹𝗓𝗰. The southern and western regions, particularly 𝗨𝗡𝗃, 𝗪𝗂𝘁, 𝗕𝗵𝘂𝘁, and 𝗙𝗹 were among the most severely affected. According to the UNDP Bhutan's assessment of climate-induced loss and damage report, monsoon restoration of existing roads and bridges have increased from 142 million ngultrum in 2021 to 2022 financial year to 300 million ngultrum in 2024 to 2025 financial year. The report stated that farmlands and infrastructure located along river basins are especially vulnerable to heavy monsoon rains and glacial lake outburst floods or 𝗨𝗏𝘗. Currently, nearly 8,000 people are affected by floods each year, a figure projected to increase to over 10,000 by 2030. The report also states that 𝗨𝗏𝘗 pose one of the greatest climate risks to Bhutan. The country has over 700 glaciers and nearly 2,700 glacial lakes, with 17 considered potentially dangerous. Moreover, glaciers are receding rapidly, leading to the formation of unstable lakes and increasing flood risks downstream. Climate projections indicate stronger and more erratic monsoon rains, with more rainfall in shorter, extreme bursts rather than evenly through the season. The report also projects that landslides are also expected to become more frequent as rainfall intensifies. Additionally, windstorms have caused repeated damage in highland areas, while forest fires are emerging as a major and growing threat, with climate change making fires more frequent and severe across Bhutan's forests. Slow onset hazards such as glacier retreat, droughts, and drying water sources are already affecting water security. Out of more than 7,000 water sources nationwide, dozens have dried up and many more are at risk. While summer rainfall may increase, winter droughts are expected to worsen, particularly in southern and eastern districts. According to the report, the probability of heat waves is also projected to rise sharply by the end of the century. Thimphu is particularly exposed to increases in heat waves. By 2040, over 95% of its residents are projected to experience temperature increases of 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius, with worst-case scenarios suggesting a rise of 3.5 to 4 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. 𝗕𝗵𝘂𝘁 for BBS News.